The Congress party in Kerala is directly in the line of fire, both of the BJP and the CPM, over support of the Jamaat-e-Islami and leaders calling for the establishment of an Islamic Republic. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, sounding the poll bugle in Thiruvananthapuram, launched a frontal attack on the Congress, saying today it has adopted positions that are more communist than those of the Maoists and more communal than that of the Muslim League. Earlier, Kerala's CPM State Secretary M.V. Govindan had asked the Congress to clarify its stance on Jamaat-e-Islami support, with the outfit stating that their aim was an Islamic Republic. Our Kerala Bureau with our top story.
तीसरा पक्ष भी है, वो पक्ष डेवलपमेंट का है, गुड गवर्नेंस का है, बीजेपी एनडीए का है।
Prime Minister Narendra Modi sounds the poll bugle in Kerala, launching a direct sharp attack on both the CPIM and the Congress, pitching the BJP-led NDA as the third alternative in the state.
एलडीएफ और यूडीएफ के लोगों ने केरला को करप्शन, कुशासन और अपीजमेंट की खतरनाक राजनीति में झोंक दिया है और इन दोनों ने बारी बारी से केरला को तबाह किया है।
आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री जी,
Prime Minister Modi trained his guns on the Congress, branding it the Muslim League Maoist Congress, accusing it of appeasement politics and lacking a development agenda.
कांग्रेस के पास विकास का कोई एजेंडा नहीं है। कांग्रेस आज माओवादियों से ज्यादा कम्युनिस्ट और मुस्लिम लीग से भी ज्यादा कम्युनल हो गई है। इसलिए देश में आज कांग्रेस को एमएमसी यानी मुस्लिम लीगी माओवादी कांग्रेस कहा जा रहा है।
From the Sabrimala gold theft to allegations of corruption in cooperative banks, Prime Minister Modi accused the LDF and UDF of misrule and zero accountability, promising action if the BJP comes to power.
मंदिर में से, भगवान के पास से गोल्ड की चोरी, सोने की चोरी, यहां बीजेपी सरकार बनते ही आरोपों की पूरी जांच होगी और दोषियों की जगह जेल में होगी।
The BJP is reading the political mood carefully, pointing to local body election gains, including the breakthrough in Thiruvananthapuram Corporation as signs of growing traction. The left dismissed the BJP's claims.
We all know that the Prime Minister of the country is not having that much education. Even his so-called degree is something doubtful. So considering that aspect, I don't think that there is any logic in commenting to his speech. Of course, he is a Pakka Sanghi and he is ill-famous for his these types of speeches.
With Prime Minister drawing sharp battle lines, the message is clear. Kerala is no longer a no-go zone for the BJP. The question is, can BJP breach the South barrier? Bureau Report, India Today.